Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. Now, in this the first problem, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kmph more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. That means one train is traveling. So it traveled 360 kilometers distance with a certain speed. Okay. That means it will take some time. That is suppose T1 hours. Next, increased speed 5 kmph. Suppose first x speed kmph means now x plus 5 kmph. With that speed, again he travelled 360 kilometers. This time also time taken some, but this time is less than the previous time. How much? 1 hour less time. So by this data we should find the speed of the train. How can you find? Means in first journey the distance is there, let the speed we should take it as x, then we can find the t1 time, first time. Next, increased 5 kmph second situation means the velocity is x plus 5. Then velocity is there, that means speed, distance anyway there. So again we can calculate t2, time taken. Now the difference between these two times is 1 hour he gave. So by that we can obtain a equation, quadratic equation. By solving that we will get the variable x. Okay. Now let the speed of the train x kmph, speed of the train x kmph, distance travelled is equal to 360 kilometers distance travelled. Therefore time taken in this situation first time t1, that is equal to, time is what? Formula distance by speed. So distance is 360 by speed is x. This is what? Time, hours, suppose HRS. Next, after increasing its speed by 5 kmph, its speed is equal to x plus 5 kmph. Now time taken to the same journey, that is t2 d by s. So 360 d is by, now the speed is x plus 5 HRS. Now the difference in the time, is equal to t1 minus t2, that is equal to, first only more because less speed. So difference means always less minus small, we will take it as difference. So 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5, this is difference. According to given problem, this 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5, this difference is 1 hour. So 1. Now x into x plus 5 LCM, x cancel, 360 into x plus 5 minus this cancel, x times 360 into x, 360x is equal to 1. So this one 360x plus 5, 365 is 500, 5 6 31, 15 plus 1 minus 360x is equal to cross multiplication by 1. So x into x square plus 5x. So 360x plus 18 and this plus is minus cancel 360s. So only that comes to 1800 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Minus x square minus 5x plus 1800 is equal to 0. Finally, minus with multiply with minus x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. The equation is x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation 1800 only, minus is there, that's why by subtracting we should get 5. So this is 10 into 180 with 2 divide with 2 multiply, with 2 divide 45 with 2 multiply 40. So 40 into 45, difference is 5. Okay, now x square plus is more, so 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now x into x plus 45 minus 40 into x plus minus it. So here plus only you take, here minus into here both are plus. Minus 40 into x plus only take, minus into plus minus. Here 45 is equal to 0. So x plus 45 common again into x minus 40 is there, is equal to 0. Now x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0 because product 0. So x is minus 45 or x is equal to plus 40. Minus value we should not take, that's why x is 40, x is equal to 40. X means what? Speed of the train. So speed of the train is equal to 40 kmph. Okay, now verification. For some verifications there means you can see. Suppose T1, see T1, see 360 kilometers traveled with speed 40, 9 hours, because time is equal to distance by time. Second time also time is equal to distance by time, but the speed, distance by speed is increased 5 kilometers. So 40 plus 5, 45 kmph now. So now 8 times 8 hours. Now see the difference is 1 hour. So second time 1 hour less time it is taken because the speed increased. Now second problem, see 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. That is, the problem is tank is there, one small tap, one larger tap is there. If both are allowed means both can together 9 3/8, that means 75 hours. In 75/8 hours the tank will fill if both are allowed, both taps together. Now next condition what he gave means, suppose the larger tap only allowed to fill this, it will take the time 10 hours less than the small one. See how much time the less tap will take to fill the tank, then 10 hours less time the larger tap will take. That he gave. By using that conditions we will solve. How means, see time taken to fill the tank time taken to fill the tank by small tap, let small tap be small tap is equal to x hours. These are in hours, x hours. Suppose only the small tap will take x hours time, then therefore time taken to fill the tank by large tap. How much large tap? See, 10 hours less time it will take. Small pipe is taking 10 hours, x hours means it will take 10 hours less time, so x minus 10 hours it will take. The larger one take 10 hours less time, smaller one we took it as x hours, then larger one x minus 10 hours. Okay, therefore work done by small tap in 1 hour. See, full tank x hours, in 1 hour 1 by x part it will do. That means what? For each hour 1 by x part, like this x hours, x into 1 by x, full tank it will fill. So x hours time it will take means what? In 1 hour what? In hours, x hours it will fill. For every hour 1 by x part, next hour 2 by x, next hour 3 by x, 4 by x, 5 by x, like that x by x means full finish. So like that. That means total 1 by x part it will finish in 1 hour. So like that work done by large tap in 1 hour, that is 1 by totally this is x minus 10 hours, so in 1 hour means 1 by x minus 10 part. Now both are working to fill the tank, both are working for how many hours? 75 by 8 hours. They are taking, both are taking 75 by 8 hours. That means 75 by 8 hours both are working. That's why in 75 by 8 hours how much it will do, plus in 75 by 8 hours how much it will do, both together that means one work, because tank filled. Both in 75 by 8 hours means tank filled means what? In 75 by 8 hours how much work it will do, and it will do, both you add means 1 hour, one work, that is equal to 1. Therefore work done by small tap in 75 by 8 hours is equal to 75 by 8 into, in 1 hour it will do 1 by x. So this is equal to 75 by 8x part. This is part. So like that work done by large tap in 75 by 8 hours is equal to 75 by 8 into, in 1 hour it will 1 by x minus 10 only. That means 75 by 8 into x minus 10 part. So in this time this will do this much part to this much part to. Total together they filled the tank means one work finished. Therefore according to given problem, in this time this is finished 75 by 8x part 2, this is finished 75 by 8 into x minus 10 part 2, that is one work finished. Now equation 8 into 8x also there, that's why 8x into x minus 10 take LCM. This means 75 into these cancel, x minus 10 no, x minus 10 plus this cancel for x left out, so 75x is equal to 1. That means 75x minus 750 plus 75x is equal to 8x square root minus 80x. So 150x minus 750 minus 8x square minus 80x is equal to 0. That means what? These two are minus. minus 8x square 150 plus this 80 230x minus here 150x minus 750. This come to this side means plus this is. So plus 230 minus 750 is equal to 0. Now for this you change, multiply with minus 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Final that one. What is the equation? 8x square minus 230x plus c 750 is equal to 0. Why this plus? This not changed any, this changed now, this minus, okay. Now 8 into 750, by adding should get 230 because plus by adding, okay. With 5 you multiply 40, with 5 you divide 150, again with 5 you divide 5 3 is 30, 5 you multiply 200, yes. Now 200 plus 30 230, 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. 8x into x minus 25 minus 30 into x minus into minus plus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 25 into 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now x minus 25 is equal to 0 or 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 25 or 8x is equal to 30, x is equal to 30 by 8, that is 15 by 4. So this is not possible, this much time x, that's why x is equal to 25 hours. X is equal to 25 hours. X means what? Therefore time therefore small, this is small tap will take 25 hours to fill the tank, like that. Large tap will take how much time? X plus x minus 10, that is x value you know now, 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours to fill the tank. So the larger tap will fill in 15 hours, small tap will fill in 25 hours. I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.